Welcome to DCT Network, your hub for FinTech education, smarter trading with Dream AI, and global earning opportunities. To get started, visit www.dctnetwork.info. Click Start Journey now to sign up or sign in if you already have an account. Once logged in, your back-office dashboard is your personal command center. Here you can see your packages, wallets, earnings, and quick shortcuts to all your tools. Don't forget to check the newsfeed on your dashboard for important updates, announcements, and new features. Let's explore the menu on the left. In Profile Management, you can update your personal info, change your login or transaction passwords, and keep your account secure. In Dream AI, buy plans and generate trading signals based on your active plan. Package Management lets you buy, renew, or upgrade your educational packages to unlock more earning opportunities. In Wallets, check balances, track transactions, or request withdrawals with ease. In Referrals, view your team, check members, and see any pending registrations. In Referral Link, share your personal link to grow your network. Dreamers Academy gives you access to course videos, quizzes, certificates, and professional training videos by trading experts depending on your package level. Reports and invoice reports help you track your income and view all invoices. Marketing lets you download company presentations and buy event tickets, while gift vouchers allow you to create vouchers for packages, Dream AI plans, or memberships. Extras lets you upgrade to DCT Plus membership to enjoy unlimited quiz attempts, certificates, and other exclusive perks. Think of your back office as your complete control panel. Learn, earn, and grow with DCT Network. Explore the tools and enjoy all the benefits waiting for you.